That the virus has a foothold in so many countries, the threat of a pandemic has become very real. But it would be the first pandemic in history that could be controlled. The bottom line is we're not at the mercy of the virus. The great advantage we have is that the decisions we all make as governments, businesses, communities, families, and individuals can influence the trajectory of this epidemic. Let hope be the antidote to fear. Let solidarity be the antidote to blame. Let our shared humanity. We're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction. We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic. This is the first pandemic caused by a coronavirus. And we have never before seen a pandemic that can be controlled at the same time. We cannot say this loudly enough or clearly enough. All countries can still change the course of this pandemic. We're in this together to do the right things with calm and protect the citizens of the world. It's doable.